What is the Chicago Poetry Center? It's an organization that connects people and poetry, equitably engages poets with communities. We've been doing programs in Chicago public schools for over 20 years, and we bring our poetry residencies to schools all over the city. Of course, the Chicago Poetry Center can't do this work without help. I want to thank our many funders that contribute to the residency program. We believe that arts education should be accessible to every student in the city. And these funders support equitable access to our programs by providing scholarships that make residencies affordable for your schools.
Hearing from Eliana Esparza.
My name is Eliana Esparza, and today we're going to be reading a poem by me called Feelings. Happiness is like a never-ending recess. Recess is like an open field. We can run and release all of our energy. A caged bird must feel like me. Sometimes I just want to fly free. A bowl of jello is like my stomach, jiggly and wiggly when I get nervous. A volcano is like me when I get angry. I burst. A tree on a windy day is like me when I'm scared. It shakes and trembles in the wind like I tremble with fear. A roller coaster is like my feelings, full of twists and turns sometimes.
Let's see if any of our students can join the poets in residence in remembering our rules for what we're going to do when we're at the mic. Anybody remember?
Like say it very slowly so everybody can understand.
Great. What else? I see some hands back there. Go ahead.
Speaking inside the mic.
Totally. Right. Remember, we have to talk right into it like this. Because over here, and over here, and up here, not as good. This is great. This is where we can all hear you. What else?
Taking a deep breath.
Thank you for the reminder. Taking a deep breath. Exactly. And then what else?
Having fun.
Having fun. I actually think this is the most important one. Have a really good time up here. We are so excited to hear your poem. We're so excited to celebrate all the work you've been doing. So just have a great time.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Nussel, and I will be reading Butterfly. Love butterfly. Love butterflies as they spread their wings and fly. Love how they represent peace and love. Love how they, even if they feel sad, they still find a way to be happy. From little caterpillars to who they are today. Butterflies represent how others wish to be. So when you see a butterfly, take some notes on how they represent love and peace, or how they find a way to be happy. Butterflies are more than you think they are. So maybe one day, you can be a butterfly.
Hi, my name is Jaden Vaquero, and my poem is called What a Poem Is to Me. A poem is a message that can show many expressions. A poem could show glory, a poem could be joyful, a poem could be awful. All in all, it's just another story. A poem can change perspectives. It can make you happy, it can make you sad, or it can just make you really mad. It can also make you sorry. But all in all, it's just another story. Within each of these poems, a true lesson appears. A writer's mind is set free, just like on this one, on what a poem is to me.